What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. I'm going to run my 1998 Kirby Generation 5. I come home, I see donut stuff on my floor. I haven't had donuts in here for a while, so let's run my Kirby real quick, huh? Let me clean this up. Very tight test drive. There we go. Let's hope that way when we come up. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. And as always, before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day, everybody.